Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good
Yes,
to see you.
Yes, glad to have you here. Okay, we have a question today.
Good.
Let's pull it right up. Gary, do I need a personal injury lawyer to handle my case?
Well, so, you don't ask a bootmaker if you need new shoes, right? But no, I think it makes a big difference, Maureen. And here's what I see a lot. Two main issues. One is telling your story. You've got to be able to articulate the story in a way that's meaningful to the people hearing it, whether it's the insurance company initially, judge or jury, or even the other side's lawyers. So, and help doing that is what we do. It's about telling a story, but there's other things that I think help. One is just anxiety of dealing with an insurance company, because that adjuster you're dealing with does this all day, every day, and they have scripts. They know what they're supposed to ask, particularly in certain kinds of cases. They will ask questions and record you that set you up to lose later. And if you're not ready, you don't feel good, you just, whatever reason, you're not trying to hide anything, but just you're sloppy with your words. Words matter. So not doing that or getting yourself put in that position matters. And that's something a lawyer can help with. Frankly, that goes to expertise, So does knowing what the law is, knowing where the pitfalls are. As an example, dog bite cases are strange right now. In Georgia, there's an assumption of the risk that's been built into the law by the latest court decisions. Just protecting your own dog can mean you've now assumed the responsibility for your own injuries by a rabid or mean dog.
Yeah.
Well, it's silly, but it's just the way the language has developed. So knowing that helps. I think it's important for insurance companies to know you mean business and take you seriously. Yeah. So do they take you seriously if you just say, well, I don't know how much you want to do for me? Well, that's just hardly a position of strength to negotiate from, and that's what lawyers do for you. So all those things, telling the story the right way.
Yeah, absolutely. And so on that point of taking you seriously, does that make a difference? Does everything that you've mentioned make a difference?
Well, what do you think?
I would think so, because there's so much that like you mentioned that the insurance companies have been doing this all the time. You do this all the time.
That's right. And our clients don't, so it's just a one-off in your life, a one-time event, and frankly, you need help, and the statistics show that it does matter. It makes a big difference in getting things resolved when you have a lawyer involved.
Fantastic. Thank you so
Thanks.
much, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.